Oh man, I need a new thermostat. This sucks.
Has this ever happened to you? Check out our new parts page, PGR-PARTS.com, and we can get you covered. Alright guys, so if you come over here to the search tab and type in 350Z thermostat, it'll take you exactly where you need to go, right here to this Mishimoto 0306 Nissan 350Z racing thermostat. If you go ahead and just click add to cart, if you have any coupon codes, go ahead and put them right in here, apply coupon. Go ahead and you can calculate your shipping right here as well. So go ahead and proceed to check out. Alright guys, so you can go ahead and create an account and then proceed to your payment method, PayPal, credit card, whatever you're gonna pay with. So everything is super easy to navigate on the website for you. You can also search a couple other ways. You can search by your car. Alright guys, once you get your part ordered, don't forget to add my coupon code PGRKYGirl for your discount.
Spell it out.
Say Kai Girl.
You had to spell it out.
No, I do not.
KY girl.
It's
No.
not.
Or don't forget to apply my coupon code.
I'm gonna say Kai Girl.
Yeah.
Alright guys, once you get your part ordered, go ahead and enter my coupon code PGRKYGirl for your extra discount.